What is a fraction? So people are much confused, especially children and even some elders. They don't understand what is a fraction. So fraction is part of a whole. For example, we can say that we take a 1 minute. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. It has 60 parts already. And suppose we take 5 parts out of it, right? So the fraction will be 5 upon 60. So if we are taking out of 60 part, 5 parts, the fraction will be 5 upon. This is so what we write on the upper side, that is numerator, and what we write on the lower side is denominator. So denominator is the whole. So we make parts of a whole. So people don't understand that what is 1 upon 4. It's a quarter basically. So quarter is that you convert something into 4 parts, right? So you convert into 4 parts, half, and then you made 4 parts out of it. And out of it you took 1 part. So like this. So you took 1 part. So 1 part is out of 4 parts, so that is 1 upon 4. Similarly, if you take 1 part out of 3, that will be 1 upon 3. 1 part out of 2, and that will be called 1/3, and 1 upon 2 will be called half. So how it's half? I think this fraction everybody can understand, that if you make 2 parts of something and you take one, so that is 1 upon 2. That is half. So we write is 1 upon 2. Supposing it's a day and you want to write how many hours do you take uh, out of 20 hours. Supposing you take 6 hours out of 24 hours, so you will write 6 upon 24, right? And then you take 8 hours out of 24, and then you can write it 8 upon 24. And now I'll teach you another thing, that how to reduce fractions into simpler numbers. So we took fraction 6 upon 24. So basically, if you do its factorization, 2 times 3, and it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then we'll cancel out the common factors. So 3 and 3 here, and 2 and 2 here. So it will be 1 upon 4. Similarly, 8 upon 24. So it will be 2 times 2 times 2 for 8. And below the denominator will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So we'll cancel out the common factors, 2 up and 2 below, 2 up and 2 below, 2 up and 2 below. And this will convert into 1 upon 3. So basically, 1 upon 3 and 8 upon 24 are equivalent fraction, because you can get one by either dividing the same number below and above or multiplying the same number. Supposing you are to get from 1 upon 3, you are to get 8 upon 25. So you will multiply this number by 8 upon 8, and you will get 8 upon 24. And similarly, if you are to get 1 upon 3 from 8 upon 24, you will divide it by 8 upon 8. So when you divide 8 with 8, you get 1, that is here. And when you divide 24 by 8, you get 3. So you get 1 upon 3. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. That's it for today.